I welcome you all in this session. Today we are going to construct a non-deterministic finite automata that accept set of all strings over A and B, where every string must contain at least one small a. So first we will find the sigma, that is A and B. Our language L will be infinite. These are the strings that we have to accept. For example, A, AA, AB, BA, AA, B, BB, A. So we will try to construct a non-deterministic finite automata that will accept all these strings. So here we will check for all these input string. First we will check for the input string small a. Now starting from the initial state A, we can move to state A on input small a, or we can move from state A to B on input small a. So in NFA, a string is said to be accepted when the any of the possible move will ends at the final state. So here, starting from the initial state A on input small a, the next state will be B. So one move ends in a final state. So our string small a will be accepted. Now we can check for the next string, that is AA. So on input A, our next move can be either A or state B. If we are taking from initial state A on input small a, next state B, then on input next small a, our next state will be B itself. So B is a final state. So our string AA will also be accepted. Now we will check for the input A, B. From initial state A on input A, our next state will be A or B. Suppose we are taking from initial state A on input small a, the next state will be B. Then on input B from state B, our next state will be B itself. So B is a final state and our string AB will be accepted. Now we will check for the input BA. From initial state A on input B, our next state will be A itself. Now on input small a, our next state will be B, and B is a final state. So we can say our string BA will also be accepted. Now we will check for the string those do not belongs to this language, like string B, because string B does not have small a. So we will check for this. From initial state A on input small b, our next state will be A itself, and A is not a final state. So it will never ends in a final state B. So the string B will not be accepted. So this NFA will only accept strings contains at least one small e. So this is all from my side for today's session. Thank you for joining.